Hey guys, and welcome to our review of the UFB Direct High Yield Savings Account. If you're searching for a savings account with competitive rates and convenient features, the UFB Direct might be the perfect choice for you. In this video, we'll explore the benefits and features of the UFB Direct High Yield Savings Account, helping you determine if it meets your financial goals. The UFB Direct High Yield Savings Account offers an impressive interest rate of 5.15% annual percentage yield. This rate is significantly higher than the national average, allowing your savings to grow more quickly. There are no monthly maintenance fees associated with this account, ensuring that more of your money stays in your pocket. UFB Direct requires a minimum deposit of just $100 to open an account, making it accessible for those who want to start saving without a substantial initial investment. The UFB Direct provides a user-friendly online banking platform, which allows you to manage your account effortlessly. With online access, you can check your balance, make transfers, and view your transaction history anytime you need. Although UFB Direct doesn't have physical branches, their customer service team is available via phone or email to assist with any questions or concerns. In conclusion, the UFB Direct High Yield Savings Account is an excellent option for those seeking a high-interest savings account without the burden of monthly fees. With its competitive rate and convenient online access, the UFB Direct offers a reliable solution for anyone looking to grow their savings effectively. Consider UFB Direct if you're aiming to achieve your savings goals with a reputable online bank. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.